Ready? The accused is arraigned for committing offence punishable under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. Para. Prosecution case is nutshell is as follows. Complainant Ajinkya Kadam is son of the accused. Deceased Indubai is his mother. PW2 Vijay is his younger brother. It is not in dispute that the accused is addict of smoking ganja. Indubai used to make attempts of convincing him that he should give up his habit of smoking ganja, and on that count accused frequently used to quarrel with Indubai. On the date of incident, that is on 2012, early in the morning, accused Maruti with his sons Ajinkya and Vijay went to his field. At noon, Vijay returned to home and the accused Maruti followed him. At about 3:15 p.m., Vijay informed complainant Ajinkya that Maruti is beaten Indubai with axe. Complainant immediately returned to home. Vijay told him that there was a serious quarrel between father and mother, and his father had inflicted blows of an axe on her neck, head, etc. Complainant noticed dead body of Indubai laying in a pool of blood on the floor in the house. She had in fact sustained injuries on her neck, head. Similarly, he also noticed that Maruti has sustained injuries on his head. He was very much present in the house. The complainant was also informed by his brother Vijay that he had returned home. The door of the house was latched from inside. When he knocked it was opened by accused Maruti. After entering into the house, when he had noticed dead body of Indubai, he has asked Maruti what had happened to her, and the accused had said that she was killed by him. Immediately, Ajinkya informed the police on phone about the occurrence. Police officers reached at his house. Please stop.